Okay, we're gonna jump right into this. I got some Himalayan, can you see the Himalayan pink salt right here? And some black pepper, what I'm gonna use to season this chicken thighs. I just got some chicken thighs I just cut up into small pieces. I got 2 of them. And I don't necessarily want to cook the chicken, not cook it, you know what I mean? I just really want it to brown. So I'm going to get these pieces browned, and when I get that completed, I'll be back. Okay, this is how I just wanted the chicken to brown a little bit, as you can see. And once I take it out of here, so this is the last of it, I'm going to put it in the little pot that comes with the rice cooker or the electric lunchbox. And then we're going to add everything, and then I'll be right back. We're going to get this thing cooking. Okay, guys. I have the chicken here that's been browned. And this is 2 chicken thighs, and I hope that this won't overcrowd the little pot here. I got my little vegetables from Bird's Eye. These are the California blend. I got some onions, bell pepper, and garlic right there. So I'm just going to put this all in. Don't get away. And these vegetables are the frozen ones. They've been sitting out a while. They're still relatively cold. Let me see. Yeah, they're not froze anymore. Frozen. Okay. And this is a half of a bouillon cube, a chicken bouillon cube, 50 milliliters of water. And I just want to see if I can't kind of dissolve this in here. Let me see if I can't get this dissolved in here a little bit. Okay, it ain't too bad. I'm not gonna be able to get it dissolved all the way. And good thing I got it on this little plate here, because I just made a little bit of mess. Okay, well, we're gonna leave it like this. I don't want to leave any of the good stuff on the back. So let's just put this in here. Okay, and I'm not going to put any more water in here. That's going to be enough. Let me put that to the bottom. Let me push these down a little bit. And this is cauliflower rice, and as you can see, it's frozen. Oh, I forgot the and I'm just going to use the rest of these. It's not that many. And I'm up here rushing it, and I need to be putting in my curry, because I'm making curry chicken. This is the curry I'm going to be using. Just going to put some in here, and make the curry to your taste. I like curry. Just a little bit more. Like I said, I like curry. And I'm just gonna dip it down here, because you know that water is down here in a little bit down here, and I can get that off. So now I'm going to take this to the actual device, and then we're gonna get this on and get to cooking. Okay, we have everything here. I'm just gonna put this right here. I got my 50 milliliters of water, which is the steam bun setting, or what is it? This what it says, steam buns or something right here, which is what, that 90 milliliters. So I'm using 90 milliliters of water. I'm gonna plug this in. Just put that in the center-ish. I'm gonna put this on, and that rice cauliflower, like I said, is frozen. So it's gonna, I'm mashing this down to hold it into place. There we go. And I'm going to turn it on. And let's see. See, it is on. Can you see? Okay. You may not be able to see, but it is on. And we're going to let this go that first round. Okay, this is round 1. And this is what round 1 is looking like. And the frozen vegetables probably have steamed somewhat and are just about ready if they're not ready. Ooh, sorry about that. There we go. Let me take this out. Let me, hope I don't burn myself. Oh my goodness. And this is the inside where the chicken thighs and the vegetables are. And I only put 50 milliliters of water in here. But of course you know where the rest of it came from. And actually I think this is good, to be totally honest. Okay. Ooh, they're hot. As a matter of fact, depending on how you like your vegetables, this may be overcooked. And let me test this chicken. And this is just one, what I like to call it, one cooking round, one session. Okay, the chicken is got through. Ooh, it's hot. Love the curry. Oh my god. So, oh, that's so good. So this round, with me just doing a quick little sear on the chicken, and using 1 full cup of the water. Let me just try this cauliflower rice, or rice, whatever it is. Well, you don't have to do too much to rice cauliflower. Let me put a little of this on there. And that's good. You know what? If you start out with frozen vegetables that have thawed, and with me pan searing the chicken thighs, it only took one session, or one, whatever you want to call it, to cook. So, okay, guys, that's it. That was a quick one. The next one I'm going to try with raw chicken. I'm really not a fan of trying that, but I'm going to take one for the team, okay? All right, guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.